Outside. Hi everyone, this is Aishwarya Umesh. Today I'm here to talk to you about something which you all know already, like how to make fitness a lifestyle, right? Every one of us in this generation, we know why do we become unfit? Yes or no, right? We all know why do we become unfit, yes or no, right? And we also know that how to become fit, right? We have solution for everything from our Google, Alexa, everywhere. So we do have a knowledge of even how to become fit. We know why we become unfit, and we know why do we become and how to become fit. Then what is the thing that we are not able to follow a fit lifestyle or make fitness as lifestyle, right? Because we don't follow it. And today we are going to talk about why don't we follow it. I hope many of us have the answers for even these things, like how we know that why we are becoming unfit, we know how to become fit, and why don't we follow it is a big question mark for us, right? And the common thing that every one of us in this generation, we say that I am busy, I don't have time to do any workout, and I don't like following a particular diet. Life is too short to not to ignore anything. Why don't I taste everything? Or someone come with some, they think, giving genuine reasons, like I have thyroid problem, so whatever I do, I'm not going to become fit. So it's all in their mindset, like not following fitness as a lifestyle. Don't you think so? Right? And few also say, can you tell me a shortcut to become fit? There is no shortcut for life. It's a lifestyle to become fit and healthy. And the thing is that we have the information about everything. Like we know all the reasons, like why are we becoming unfit? The common things that we tell to everyone, we don't control ourselves. If there is a biryani cooked at our house, we overeat on that day. We neglect that consciousness. We become unfit because we overeat, and we do give excuses that no time. And why do we become unfit, right? We say that, yeah, as I'm a married woman, I need to take care of my kids, I need to take care of my family, and I even go to work. We don't prioritize ourselves, right? We don't give the time, we don't prioritize our health as the first thing to do when we wake up in the morning and to continue as a lifestyle. And we all also know how to become fit. Array, don't overeat, be conscious of what is going inside, right? And we also know how to grab the time. Yes. And this, the last one I have to emphasize is prioritizing yourself. Make yourself a priority. You are important to yourself first, as well as the family who is counting on you every day. It might be your kids, your parents, your friends, colleagues. So make yourself a priority. Then definitely you're going to follow a fitness lifestyle, right? So the first thing, we don't follow a fit lifestyle is because we don't realize it. We always keep thinking of others, especially women, right? Even men, they say that no, they are always in a rush of earning money, um, keeping their family happy, meeting their needs. They think that that is their priority, but before that, it's you, it's your life. So make yourself as a priority. So realize that you are important to yourself as well as the family who is counting on you daily. So start taking an action. Realize that you're important and take action. What kind of action? Everyone else take action, even I did, but there must be even commitment to the action. Yes or no? Okay, today I thought someone said, oh tu itni moti ho gayi, oh are you pregnant, oh you look so old than your age. So when you hear all such kind of things, you realize and take an action, right? And you start waking up at 5 in the morning and doing intense workout and all. भैया एक दिन या दो दिन के लिए नहीं करना है. The action should be committed for lifelong. Like how you breathe, the same thing. Being fit should be your life, right? So the second point is commitment. You need to commit what all you are doing it, what all plans you have for becoming that fit, which everybody know. You just google it, you get everything, how to become fit, why are you becoming unfit. We are all aware of that, but why don't, the big question is, why don't we follow it? Okay, we did for a week, 2 weeks or else 3 months. ओके मैं 5 किलो वजन घट गई, अब मैं नहीं करूँगी. नो नो नो, दैट्स नॉट द वे. यू नीड अ कमिटमेंट टू ट्रांसफॉर्म योर सेल्फ, राइट? You need to have that commitment. Like how do you feel when your own kids or your family or your colleagues at office, when they admire your discipline, when they admire you, wow you're in shape. Or else when someone says appreciate you, especially your kids, they start following you, right? And they say mama how good you look. Not the feeling only gives you that wonderful happiness and all, right? Which cannot be bought in any shop. How much wealthy you are, how much wealthy you are doesn't count on your health, right? You may have all the money in the whole world, but what if you cannot travel? What if you cannot eat what you like? What if you cannot climb? What if you cannot jump with your kids, right? Health is more important than wealth. And this thing many of us know, right? From our childhood we learn this, right? Health is wealth. But how many of you truly understand it? And very few, and only a handful practice it. And the person who practice it makes it a lifestyle, right? Don't you want to make it a lifestyle? Don't you want to be energetic and active always? And here again, fitness, I'm not talking about that zero size and zero shape, right? Don't change your diet, just change your lifestyle. And the most important thing, after you realize, after you commit, is to sustain. Sustainability is very very important. Because मैं अब जो भाषण दे रही हूँ, not a भाषण for few, it might look like क्या lecture मार रही है, लेकिन no one follow the words, right? The great people says like your actions are seen, show your actions, sustain. If I am not following a fit lifestyle and I ask you to follow, do you follow? No. Like when you become fit, you become an inspiration for others. It's not that looking at you, maybe your spouse changes, he becomes fit, maybe your family or maybe your neighborhood, they see changes in yourself, and that creates a sustainability even they starts thinking about. We are here to change someone's life, not only to be happy, right? इतना भी selfish नहीं है हम, right? अरे भैया, I eat for today, it's fine. I'm happy today, it's fine. We have to have some goals in your life. Why are we here? How you want someone to remember you, right? In this short life journey. Are I want you to be like Ashwarya, who was always disciplined and who used to take care of her health, which has changed not only herself, that but her family, colleagues, and people around you. Don't you feel wonderful when someone admires you? And someone will only admire you when you show your actions and commit to yourself that I am going to transform myself. And it's not that after 6 months I have lost 10 kgs and I'm not going to do it and back to lifestyle. And I never believe in changing diet. I'm repeating it again. I don't want you all to change your diet. I want you to change your lifestyle. Do you know that? Only just by hitting a gym or starving yourself makes you fit? No. I have studied in one of the recent books, though I'm not a nutrition expert, but I have followed it myself and am here today. 1 year back, Ashwarya was not the way which I am seen in this video. People used to ask me, the belly fat, the very first friend of ours, whatever we eat, पहले पेट में ही जाता है. Though I was having a kid 2 years back, people in my neighborhood start asking me that, are you pregnant again? It made me embraced. What? No, I'm not. I feel like telling them. Sometimes I even cried. But I took actions as well. I went to yoga classes, I took Zumba classes, but it was only for short period of time, and again I have bounced back. Later, thanks to COVID, I read many books and I started understanding that being fit is not a short-term goal, it's a lifestyle. Every day you need to maintain it, like how you breathe, how much important is for a human lifestyle or for the working of a human body, breathing is how much important. Similarly, for someone to be fit, following your actions and being committed to it and being sustainability is important, right? So what I was talking about, yeah. So not only by hitting a gym or starving yourself makes you fit. What I read is, you can Google it and even check, 70% of our weight is because of our diet, right? So be conscious about what you eat and how much you eat. Portion matters. And remaining 50% is our regular workouts. I always specify workout with regularity. It's not that मैंने आज 20 kilometers walking किया, 50 kgs, 20 kgs lift किया. No. You have to be regular in whatever you do. And many of my friends who are watching this video, they already know like what is the workout routine I choose to become fit. I'm telling about myself. From my childhood, I always had a passion to dance. I don't know why. Since my upper KG, whatever you call kindergarten age, I started giving, performance, stage performance. And later, while I was in school, college, I used to participate in all the dance competitions and all, though I'm not a trained dancer. But that was my passion, right? So I have chosen dance as my workout, right? Which I don't miss and which I don't want to miss even for a day. The thing which I like the most, why do I want to miss it? So I have made work out regular by choosing the thing which I like to do every day, every moment. Though I'm tired, you don't believe me, when I started making dance as my regular workout, I used to finish all my household chores, and by profession I have chosen a teacher. I'm teacher. After completing all my work, रात को 11 बजे 11 o'clock I used to dance, I used to work out and sleep. I don't know whether it's a right time or not, nothing, but it was like something is missing today in my life. I didn't work out, I didn't had energy, but that dance, which is my passion, made me to work out. So that is how I try to do this, maintain sustainability and making fitness as a lifestyle, right? And 50% and the other 15% is your sleep pattern. Nowadays we sleep with our phones, yes or no? Everyone, let it be a kid or an elderly person or a working woman, man, housewife ho, jo bhi ho, they sleep with their phones. The last thing that they do before sleeping is watching phone, and the first thing they do as soon as they wake up, checking their emails, checking their WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. People, before knowing what is going on throughout the world surrounding you, surrounded by you, why don't you take care of yourself? The first thing I do as soon as I wake up is my workout, because I want to change myself. I am taking an action and I'm committed to it, and I want to be sustained, right? So the first thing I do before checking my WhatsApp messages or Facebook reminders or anything, I go for my workout. And the sleep pattern is very, very important. How much workout you're doing, um, all the fat burns while you're sleeping, the unwanted fat and all, right? So sleep pattern is very important. Try for a week, definitely it becomes a routine, right? Everyone knows that 21-day formula. Follow an activity that you want to do for 21 days, it becomes a routine. Follow it for 90 days, it becomes a lifestyle, right? So make fitness as your lifestyle, right? And I want to repeat it once again. Everyone knows that health is wealth, right? But very few of us truly understand about it, right? And only handful are practicing it. And I'm here to make a video so that all of them should make our fitness into practice and make fitness as a lifestyle without changing your diet. Just change your lifestyle and you're definitely going to observe the changes. And today in my video I would also like to ask you 3 questions. Just take any piece of paper and just write down those answers for those 3 questions. I'm going to put it as a worksheet in my video, right? So the first question which I want you to ask to yourself, the purpose of you to become a fit. किसके लिए fit रहना चाहते हो? For whom you want to become fit? What is the purpose of you for making fitness as a lifestyle? And the second question is, how important is being healthy for you, right? How important is the role of becoming healthy in your life? The reason can be family, kids, your own health, anything. Ask yourself. And the third one, how would you feel when you become fit? Don't you feel happy as I am right now? Right? Can you buy this happiness with all the money you have? Can you buy this happiness by, working from morning 8 to evening 8? No. How would you feel when you become fit? the admirations that you get from your family, friends, colleagues, don't you feel happy? So write this answers for these three questions and ask yourself every morning, what is the purpose of being fit, and how important is being healthy to you, and how would you feel on the day you become fit and active, right? Then there you get your answer. Until then, bye bye. See you in my next video. Be fit and make fitness your lifestyle. Bye, everyone. Love you.